How to reprogram your mind for success while you sleep. Have you ever wondered how much untapped potential lies within you, quietly waiting for the right moment to emerge? Imagine being able to unlock this hidden power while you sleep, a time when your body rests, but your subconscious mind keeps working. This video is your guide to reprogramming your mind for success while you rest, using simple yet powerful techniques. If you're ready to awaken to a brighter and more fulfilling future, stay tuned. Your subconscious mind is a reservoir of limitless potential. It controls 95% of your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, the habits that shape your life. While your conscious mind handles the immediate and logical decisions, your subconscious mind operates in the background, influencing the choices you don't even realize you're making. The good news? Your subconscious is malleable. It's like fertile soil. You can plant positive, success-driven thoughts into it and watch them grow into empowering beliefs and resilient habits. Interestingly, sleep is one of the best times to recondition your subconscious. During rest, your mind enters a theta brainwave state, a mode that's particularly receptive to new ideas and affirmations. Understanding this is the first step to transforming your reality, one night at a time. Many people focus their personal development efforts on their waking hours, but overlook the immense power of sleep. Did you know that your brain doesn't stop processing information when you're asleep? It consolidates memories, sorts emotions, and creates neural pathways. This means your mind can absorb fresh, constructive patterns while your body is at rest. With the right techniques, you can shape your subconscious into a source of unwavering focus, confidence, and success. Gratitude is like a compass, redirecting your thoughts toward positivity. As you lie in bed at the end of your day, take a few minutes to reflect on what you're grateful for, no matter how small it may seem. It could be the warmth of your blanket, a kind word you received, or progress you made toward a goal. By focusing on gratitude, you align your subconscious mind with abundance. This habit trains you to see opportunities instead of obstacles, allowing you to wake up each day with a mindset that seeks solutions and growth. Gratitude isn't just a nice thought, it's a transformational practice. Before slipping into sleep, set an intention for your subconscious mind to work on while you rest. Intentions are like instructions for your mind, guiding it toward what you want to achieve. For example, you might affirm, "I will wake up feeling confident and motivated to tackle my goals," or "I'm on track to becoming the best version of myself." These declarations tell your subconscious what to focus on, subtly steering your thoughts and actions in alignment with your desires. Remember, intentions should be specific and positive. Avoid vague or negative language like, "I don't want to fail." Instead say, "I am fully capable of succeeding." Affirmations are statements that reinforce your belief in yourself. When repeated consistently, they help replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. While you prepare for bed, recite affirmations silently or aloud, depending on your comfort. Examples include, "I am worthy of success and happiness." "I have everything I need to achieve my dreams." Each day, I take one step closer to my goals. Over time, these affirmations will become embedded in your subconscious, influencing the way you see yourself and the world. You'll wake up each morning with a renewed sense of self-belief and determination. Audio content like guided meditations or subliminal messages can be incredibly effective for reprogramming your mind while you sleep. These resources use scientifically designed scripts to reinforce positive beliefs and ideas. Before bed, choose an audio file set that aligns with your goals, whether it's self-confidence, abundance, or productivity. Play it in the background as you fall asleep. Subtle affirmations and calming sounds will bypass your conscious mind and directly feed your subconscious. Make sure to select trusted and credible audio programs. Poorly produced content might be ineffective and distract from your efforts to reprogram your mind. Visualization is another powerful tool for subconscious reconditioning. Before you fall asleep, close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your greatest goals. Create a vivid mental image. What does success look like to you? How does it feel? How does your life change? For example, if your goal is career advancement, picture yourself confidently leading a major project or receiving recognition from your peers. Immerse yourself in this mental movie, letting the positive emotions of joy, pride, and motivation wash over you. The more detailed the visualization, the more effectively it imprints onto your subconscious. Over time, this practice helps align your thoughts and actions with that vision, making it your reality. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is not a one-night transformation. It's a process. Repetition is essential to creating lasting change. The habits you reinforce nightly need time to take root and solidify into enduring beliefs. Think of it like working out at the gym. You wouldn't expect dramatic results after one session, but consistent effort over time will lead to visible and lasting changes. The same principle applies when conditioning your subconscious. Stay committed, trust the process, and watch the transformation unfold. Limiting beliefs are those invisible barriers that convince you you're not good enough, capable enough, or worthy of success. They're often formed in childhood or through negative experiences, but the good news is that they can be replaced. If you catch yourself holding on to thoughts like, "I'm not smart enough," consciously challenge them. Replace these thoughts with affirmations such as, "I am intelligent, resourceful, and capable of solving any problem." Use sleep reprogramming techniques to ingrain these empowering beliefs into your subconscious, creating mental pathways for self-assurance. For these techniques to work optimally, it's important to create a sleep environment that supports relaxation and focus. Start by minimizing distractions, reduce noise, dim the lights, and avoid screens before bed. A calm environment helps your mind relax and engage more deeply in subconscious reprogramming. If stress is a barrier, try deep breathing exercises before bed or listen to relaxing music. The calmer your state of mind, the more effectively you'll absorb positive ideas during sleep. Remember, sleep-based reprogramming isn't a substitute for daily self-improvement. It's a complement. Use your waking hours to take actionable steps toward your goals. Pair this with nightly mental conditioning, and you'll create a powerful cycle of growth and progress. For example, if you're building confidence with affirmations at night, challenge yourself during the day by stepping out of your comfort zone, perhaps by speaking up in a group or pursuing opportunities you'd ordinarily avoid. These actions reinforce the beliefs you're cultivating while you sleep. As you reprogram your mind for success, you'll notice profound changes, not just in yourself, but also in your interactions with others. A confident, resilient mindset naturally attracts opportunities and inspires those around you. Success isn't just about achieving your goals, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and uplifting others in the process. Success doesn't just begin when you wake up in the morning, it begins in your mind, even while you sleep. Through gratitude, intentionality, affirmations, visualization, and repetition, you hold the key to transforming your subconscious and, by extension, your life. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, think of this as more than just rest. Think of it as your time to dream big, let go of limits, and program your mind for the extraordinary. When you make the choice to work with your subconscious instead of against it, success becomes not just a possibility, but an eventuality. Because when you dare to dream it, you can live it. Sweet dreams, and here's to waking up to a brighter, bolder you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.